This is a case of road traffic accident. This girl has sustained a road traffic accident due to fall from bike or scooty, whatever, and that leads to extensive facial injury. Face is the most important part of human body as per the appearance and the personality is concerned, and we can see that there is massive damage of the face, especially the upper lip area or along with the right side of the face. You can see that there is through and through injury of the upper lip at two sides, here and again another here. In these two areas there is extensive damage. Apart from this, severe laceration of the right half of the face, including the forehead, nose. There is some fracture and slight displacement of the nasal bone also, and abrasion in the malar area of the face. And this all could have been prevented if she had weared a helmet. That's why the importance of helmet is so much emphasized for the bike or scooty riders. But unfortunately, at the time of accident, she was not having any protective headgear, and that leads to this type of extensive injury. Our planning is to repair all the injured structures in different anatomical layers so that we can achieve the maximum outcome in terms of normal facial appearance. And these abrasions will be covered by collagen graft. Well, this is the result 9 months after facial injury. She had suffered an extensive facial injury with severe soft tissue damage. Reconstructive surgery, along with several sessions of laser therapy and other scar management treatments, were performed to achieve the optimal cosmetic outcome. The transformation is very remarkable, and now it is difficult for anyone to recognize that once she had such a serious facial injury. This case also highlights that the importance of timely intervention and proper surgical planning and dedicated post-operative care to achieve the maximum outcome in facial injury cases. Well,